Hello everyone. Can you see the pictures? Colorful pictures, right? These are animals pictures. In this video we are going to learn the name of the animals. Okay, what is this? Goat, sheep, horse, cow, dog, cat. This one is rabbit, pig. So some more animals are here. As you can see, very colorful pictures are there. This is giraffe and deer. Write down the names. Elephant. This is lion. Next one is tortoise, zebra. So let's learn the name of the birds. Here first one is, this is parrot, sparrow, duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Next one is crow. This is pigeon. This is hen. This one is cock. What is this? Cock. And here crane. What is this? Crane. This one is penguin, the bird which cannot fly. Peacock. So these are the animals and birds. Thank you.